Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back. And if you're new here and you want to improve your skills in the kitchen, consider subscribing so you never miss one of our new videos every week. If you're sick of the same old boring salad, today is the video for you. We're making a delicious, fresh watermelon salad. Perfect for summer, perfect for barbecues, or any gathering for that matter. It's really flavorful. It's nice, fresh, vibrant. We're gonna put some beautiful fresh herbs in it. So let's get this going. First thing we gotta do, cut up this watermelon. So we got our watermelon. Obviously, watermelon's pretty round. And anytime you have something that's round like this, it's not stable, you don't wanna just cut right into it. You wanna make it stable. So to do that, we're just gonna take the end, cut those off. And now our watermelon sits flat. And then we're just gonna run our knife, following the shape of the watermelon, down to the bottom, exposing the flesh, taking off all the skin, the green and the white we want removed. This is a beautifully red, vibrant watermelon right here. This is gonna be great. And just do that all the way around. You don't wanna go too deep, but any left over, cut that up, keep for yourself for later. So depending how many people you're making the salad for, you could cut either all of the watermelon, half of it, a quarter of it, just for one portion. Today I'm going to cut about half this. So cut right down. Now we're going to cut them to your desired thickness. I'm going to cut these in about 1-inch chunks. Run my knife down, keeping them roughly the same size. And any pieces like this that's not the same size like this, obviously not just gonna throw this out. Like I said, just put it aside. And now we'll take these pieces and cut. And this is about the size we're looking for. This looks good. I've used a melon baller for this as well. If you want a different shape, that works too. We'll just cut the rest of our watermelon. You'd use all the extra pieces for a gazpacho. That's a great dish. Let me know in the comments if you want to see a video for a watermelon gazpacho. It's another great summer dish to have, this cold watermelon gazpacho. Got our watermelon all cut up, all cubed, nice and uniform. Now we just got to add a couple more ingredients. This was the hardest part of this whole recipe. Now we're going to put some English cucumber, some red onion. Show you how we put those in. So put our watermelon aside here. Take this cucumber. Now since this is a watermelon salad and not a cucumber salad, we don't want to have more cucumber than watermelon, so a little less than half this cucumber here. Give this a quick wash. Always wash your vegetables. So we're just going to take a peeler, not peel all the skin here, some strips off. Have our cucumber, good amount of the seeds that are in there. Just scrape some out, just a little like so. I got this melon baller, spoon works just as fine. And we'll cut it on a bit of a bias, about the same thickness as the watermelon. That looks good. Add those in. Cut our other half. All right, we got some cucumber now. Nice pop of color. Now we'll take our red onion. Cut that in half. I think half will be plenty for this recipe. Don't want too much red onion. We just want that bite to complement the sweetness in the watermelon in this dish. It's also going to add some nice color. We want to cut this relatively thin. Break up our red onion into the salad. Okay, it's coming together. Now we're going to make a nice vinaigrette for the salad. You could use any dressing you want, obviously, but I'm going to make a nice fresh lemon vinaigrette. Goes really nicely with this watermelon salad. Balsamic works well, anything you like. Today we're going to make a homemade lemon. Let me show you. So everything going to go right in this mason jar. We're just going to mix it up, and then we have a container for our vinaigrette. Make everything in here, and then it stays in here. Really simple. So we got one lemon, just like with our cucumber. Give this a quick wash. And we're just going to take the zest from this lemon. The zest is great. Has more flavor than the juice actually. All those oils, those citrus oils in the zest, really going to make this vinaigrette pop. So get that zest in there. I'm going to take our lemon and juice it in. Everyone about a quarter cup of juice. That'll be good from this lemon. A little more is not going to hurt. Take some Dijon mustard, That'll be our emulsifier. Teaspoon of that, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and finally 1/2 cup of some extra virgin olive oil. You could double this up, completely fill the mason jar for later use. Just give this a mix. You got some beautiful homemade lemon vinaigrette, just that easy. All right, bring back our salad. Let's finish this up. So we got our watermelon, English cucumber, red onion, everything cut up. If you don't want to use all this mixture, just take what you want for your individual serving or a couple of people and just dress that, and then leave the rest of this not dressed in the fridge, and then just use as you want. Or you could just use it all if you have multiple people, whichever you're doing. But don't just dress everything and then let it sit. We'll put that aside. Got our lemon vinaigrette, put that aside. Now I got some fresh basil, some fresh mint. And this is just gonna finish this off, give that nice freshness. The combination of the mint with the basil goes great with this salad. Really freshens it up, gives it more color, especially the mint. I love the mint with the watermelon. I want a little more basil than mint because mint is very strong. About 70-30 basil to mint. Give this a quick chop here. Make sure your herbs are washed as well. Give a nice fine chop. You always want to chop and add your herbs right away so they keep that nice vibrant color. Now this is a beautiful watermelon salad. Certainly beats a nice iceberg lettuce salad, that's for sure. Oh, by the way, going back to the serving size, I'm going to be using all this. So that's why I put all the herbs in. Obviously, just add the herbs to what you're going to use, because after a while, the herbs being cut, they're going to lose that nice, vibrant color and taste. Got a plate here. Spoon some of our salad on there. We want to have some height. We don't want to just spread it out on the plate, because visually it looks much better. That looks very beautiful. I like to finish this with just a touch of some fresh cracked pepper. Have our nice homemade lemon vinaigrette. And we'll just spoon some of that right over. Looks good, not too much. We never want to overdress a salad. And a little basil. Beautiful fresh watermelon salad. I also like to put some crumbled feta cheese on there. Or crumbled goat cheese works good as well. I like the feta, just a touch. Of course, you could leave this out if you don't want the dairy. So make this watermelon salad, give this a try. Really delicious and fresh. The lemon vinaigrette you could use for anything, even if you don't want to make the watermelon salad. This is great for any salad. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications, and we will see you next time.